Hey there, Dan from Adventures of Mel. I am going to show you how to not cry when you cut an onion. So first of all is you want a good knife. But the biggest, most important thing you need is to make sure that it's sharp. So you want this edge to be razor sharp. Onions release their odor when you use a dull blade or even a serrated blade will cause the onion to release more of its odor. So the other important task is speed. You want to do this at a comfortable speed so that you don't cut your fingers. But you want to also learn how, the more you do it, you're going to get quicker with it. So I'm still not very quick. I like to take my time with it, but it's fairly easy. So you got two sides of the onion. You have the root and you have the stalk side. And this is the side that would have the leaves on it that come up out of the ground. So we want to make sure we don't cut off the root side. You can trim it off a little bit if it's got a bunch of gangly roots on it, but you don't want to cut it off. But you can cut off the stalk side, and that's where we're going to start. So we're going to just hold the onion down on its side, and you're just going to slice, get all that off. Then you're going to take your knife, hold it up, the root side up, and then right down the center, slice it in half. And then go ahead and just peel off any of the paper here. Peel this one off as well. So then you're going to take the root side and place it away from you, and take your chef's knife, and what you want to do is you want to cut follow the grain of the onion, and this is where you get your size for if you're dicing or if you're mincing. This is where you set that size. So what you want to do is, depending on the size of the mince you want to slice down. So you put it down flat and then come in from the side and just kind of come back and just slice through. Now you want to make sure that when you slice that you don't cut all the way up to the root. If you do this right, and I'm taking my time here so that you can see it easy. See, I'm trying to create nice even slices. As I work my way up to the top and get to the center of the onion, you can see my knife is straight up. So and as you go back down the side, just start angling your knife. So now I've got all these evenly sliced, and you can see that you can spread it up. You can see the slices. It's still staying together. So now you flip it around to where your root is to the left side or the right side if you're left-handed. So whatever's easier for you. And then, since the thickness that I sliced it that way, I'm going to slice it the same thickness this way. There you have it. You got very nice little minced pieces of onion. You can get finer, you can get more coarse, whatever is up to you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.